Welcome to, we've got me, myself, and the hair man. The beats to me. Hi guys, right, so, such a serious vlog this is going to be as well, so I'm going to start off like that. Right, okay. Hair companies. I quite openly say there's quite a lot of good companies around which you can go for the hair system. Generally, doing your research makes sense. How long they've been going, how many pictures they got on their gallery, how many YouTube videos they've got, how many, anyway, just how transparent everybody is. Yeah, there's been a few companies around since I started. One of them is, the other wasn't around but has come, and then has arrived. But then that company is pretty much middlemen shipping over people to do their presentations, going to pockets of families. So the inconsistency of the systems is quite apparent, I think. In UK, I've got who I know very well, so I'm being really transparent about this. And so there is a few good companies that have been around for a while. I'm going to go on to prices in another vlog. That's going to be separate. But yeah, so there's good companies around. You just look into it, do your research. For me, Hair for All, you know, we've got affordable prices. We're reasonable. The hair systems look absolutely fantastic. The backup with our affiliates and stylists is pretty good. We're selling franchises, which is just so exciting for me. Been a long road to get there, but it's fabulous. That's the icing on the cake for me, for all the years of bloody mindedness and so forth. So it's got to be right though. Anyway, so right, so I'm trying to be kind of non-biased, is that the right word? Look, plenty of pictures, YouTube videos, good reviews, activity changing all the time, Facebook pages, Instagram, all those kind of things, reasonable prices, good customer service, and then you can't go much wrong, you know. And we're talking about non-surgical procedure and hair replacement companies. If you find a stylist you like, keep to that stylist, and you can grow together with the actual look. That's important at Hair for All. A lot, most of the clients stay with the stylist. One of the 4 or 5 stylists we got here, 5 stylists we got at HQ, and then grow with it. So once you're with the company, then just push for products, ask for different styles, see how much flexibility they are. Can you have this style? Ask the right questions, yeah? So, I think All Round Hair for All is, offering like a good service, obviously, there's a lot of passion involved for me and the team and so forth, and we all look good. See, now I'm right in the middle of these two. I'm quite liking this. Have I made the right decision? Come on, be honest. I think so, don't you? So anyway, Hair for All is a great company. Come and give us a try. We won't let you down. Anyway, speak to you later, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.